There two is playing that stuffed toys. Look at them. They're so funny. What are you doing, too? We didn't put their name yet. Another one is Popo again. We have 11 puppies. It's hard to look after them all the time. Look at them. I need to take off again. The other one is biting the curtains. Leave it. Oi. Biting the curtain. Come on, guys. You keep playing that toys. The teddy bear. Playing and playing. Other one is wee wee. We have 11 puppies here. Oh my God, too busy. I am too busy. Need to keep my eye with them all the time. Wow, are you waking up now, big boy? So you are the one who's sleeping all day. So you're still tired, do you? Are you still tired? Ah, okay. You're still tired. And the three is still playing with the toys. And Piccolo want to play with them. And the other want to, I think this one want to go outside. Hold on. I put you outside. I let you out. Come on. Out. Playing. 11 puppies over here in the living room. Keep playing, biting. This teddy bear. And Piccolo is in the corner, small one. They're playing the bed. What you doing there? Smell like poo-poo again? Who's poo-poo? Oh, MG. Mommy is here. Mommy is getting tired to feed them. Oh, don't bite with my slipper. This tree is biting the bed. Trying to chew the bed. OMG, these two. Look at them.